from Majestic Boxing Gym, Makati City, ladies and gentlemen, Jay De Pablo Ignacio. And his opponent in the red corner, wearing black with gold trim, weighing 111 pounds. He hails from Agusan del Sur, fighting out of the origin St. Rita Paranaque City. Ladies and gentlemen, Jericho Tanate.
Andito na tayo sa ating pang 5th fight of the night. Like I said, Jericho Tañate of Elorde Gym Santa Rita Village against Jay De Pablo Ignacio of Majestic Boxing Gym sa Makati City.
Itong si Ignacio, partner, is wearing the pink, green, and furry fight shorts. Nako, gustong-gusto ko yung ganyan, yung may texture ang fight shorts. And then itong si Tanate is yung naka-black and yellow. Oo.
Parang may heart pa yung
hindi pa
trap.
enough yung yung texture. Gusto ko yan. Gusto ko yung mga ganyang shorts, no?
If you have been to some of I've been through some Japanese fights. Yung mga trunks, yung mga gear, pinaghahandaan nila yan.
Oo. Malaking part yan talaga, partner. Kaya nga I always say, coming in with your fight shorts, it has to be perfect eh. Kasi kailangan komportable ka dun sa suot mo at confident ka dun sa suot mo.
Some of the boxer are very comfortable dun sa classic OG na maiikli. Pero yung mga iba naman, medyo gusto nila yung mga flurry or yung iba, yung mga parang Hector Macho Camacho style na gladiator. So, in passing, kung gusto nyo magkaroon ng mga magagandang gear, pwede kayong pumunta sa B Athletic.
Yes, definitely.
Just a walking distance from here sa Elorde Sports Center.
If you saw the Elorde Fight Team trunks, yun yung made by B Athletic. Here we go. So far, it's been a feeling out few seconds with a few moments of explosion from both boxers when they find the right timing.
Ay, sagutin ko lang itong tanong ni Arvin Magramo. Yung Soliveres, susunod after this fight,
yes,
yun
champ.
na po ang susunod.
Hahabol ka ba, champ?
Oo, pwede naman.
Baka nag-ensayo si champ eh.
Meron siyang napakalaking laban na
definitely
pinaghahandaan. I'm speaking about Arvin Magramo. If I'm not mistaken, she is the current WBO Oriental light flyweight champion.
Yes, for sure, partner. Quick stepping in punches from both boxers. I like that punch, especially for a shorter fighter, partner. Yung ganong punch, yung merong onting step forward or leap forward is such a, kumbaga, a punch that has a high rate of landing,
I think yung last two fights natin, yun siguro ang magiging barometer ng kung gaano how would you steal this fight card?
Yes.
If kailangan mo talunin yung matchup ng Toyogan tsaka Condes.
Shout out Raul Noynay watching us from Mandaue, Cebu.
Kamustahin natin yung lahat ng mga kaibigan natin dyan sa all over, sa Cebu, sa lahat. Yung mga kaibigan nating mga gym dyan, Prime Fight Gym, Prime Stag Sports na meron silang pa-boxing on December 29 featuring the primetime one, Pete Apolinar against a Japanese opponent for the WBO Oriental featherweight title. This is a vacant title at lalaban din dyan si El Medodico Milan Milindo at saka si Ian, the real Donaire. Ulitin ko, December 29 dyan sa SM Seaside.
Yes.
Na handog sa inyo ng Prime Stag Sports Promotion.
Shoutout Royder Lloyd Bourbon. Ako, lalaban din itong si Royder Lloyd sa 18. Tama ba, champ?
18, most likely.
And Sir Jared Verano na speaking of Hong Kong, no, kanina we were talking about Hong Kong. Sir, it's a Verano Boxing Club. Shoutout po sa inyong lahat.
Alam mo, partner, napaka-witty talaga ng Filipino audience. Sabi niya, lamang daw sa laban na to si J. De Pablo Ignacio. Alam mo kung bakit?
Oo.
Dahil nasa corner daw niya si Sanrio. Ayaw, partner.
Oo nga naman, si Hello Kitty. And there you have it.
Partner, kung kakampi mo si Sanrio, mahirap ka talunin.
Mahirap talunin, Grabe talaga. Filipinos are definitely one of the most creative when it comes to
very
comics,
creative.
no? So that was a tense moment right there. A flurry
medyo hindi ka nakarecover kay Sanrio, no?
Hindi ako
Yan ba paborito mo nung bata ka?
Oo naman.
Yeah. I'm sure mostly, almost sabihin natin 90% of na female. So, iyan ang nagiging talaga pinagdaanan. Tama. Kaya dun sa nakakita noon ang bilis ng mata mo, ayos mas nakita pa niyo kaysa dun sa shorts ni Ignacio. Those are simultaneous jabs, no, na dalawang beses nang nagkasabayan sila. Both of them, pwede na sabihin, both of them has a good jab.
I think we're waiting for a follow-up right now. Kanina si Tanate found an opportunity to do a follow-up. So he was able to corner Ignacio. An overhand by Ignacio right there that landed.
This bout is a very good scientific na matchup, no? Yung what I mean about that is hindi pareho sila rushing in. Both of them are technical fighters who will beat you by step by step.
Exactly, partner, no? Si Tanate, sabi nga ng isa sa ating mga viewers na si Item Etanat sa
tingin ko ang pangalan niya pag binaliktad mo marireveal, no?
Oo nga.
Pero wag mong gawin ngayon baka.
Oo, napaka-challenging sabi niya ang lakas daw ng kamao. Sabi ni Marjun Abadines.
Nice flurry there for Ignacio. Alam mo yung defeat of a fighter, hindi yan magiging base lagi ng kung how will you perform on your next fight. Kasi it all gonna depend on how you train and how you prepare.
Certainly.
Hindi naman ibig sabihin na marami akong talo. Medyo hindi na ako makakabawi sa next na laban ko. Every fight, there's an equally great opportunity to be better than the last time.
You are absolutely right, and it also depends on the matchup. It depends on the opportunities that you get presented with. Komplikado ang boxing.
I'm sure itong sunod na nag-message, nami-miss mo, no, yung mga message niya, no, yung mga wall post niya, no. Si Ardin Diale.
Nako, Champ Ardin Diale.
Alam mo at one time sa mga buhay natin, naging parte ng buhay natin ang mga wall post ni Ardin Diale.
Naman.
So kinakamusta ko si Ardin Diale diyan sa KSK Boxing Gym. Diyan sa Makati. Kamusta po kayo dyan? And hopefully we're gonna see each other very very soon by Enero. Si boss natin na nagpe-prepare ng next event natin siguro January. Tsaka meron tayong bisita dito na pero hindi ko siya paboritong Tamayo. Gary Tamayo ang paborito ko talaga. Pero papatiin ko na rin siya Brian Tamayo na nandito.
The not favorite brother.
Not so favorite.
Kasi
Ballesteros team.
Shoutout din po sa Ballesteros team. Kasi hindi naman siya yung brother, siya yung sister.
Hindi, mahal na mahal ko si Brian Tamayo. Balik na tayo sa sa laban.
Sir Van Clayton Responte, shoutout sa inyo, sir. And sa buong Humong Bulanon team.
Yes, oh. See you
Yes,
very soon. See you very soon. Oh.
And also, Jeffrey Conserman, shout out daw. And good luck kay Ben Ligas. Ben Ligas is fighting later against another talented
Fernie Balarca.
boxer from the South. And Fernie
Butuan
Balarca.
partner.
Yeah, from Butuan. Alam mo, ibang breed din itong mga taga-Butuan tsaka mga taga-Misamis, ano?
Partner, kailan daw tayo mabibigyan ng bagong Kumong Bulanon t-shirts? Pakitanong nga kay Idol Ban.
Ay, baka masagot na niya, no?
XXL ha? XXL.
Next, ano natin dyan sa Bohol is gonna be on the 28th. So, see you guys there.
Jeven Villasite, isa sa magaling nating 105 at pwede ring 108 na fighter.
Certainly.
Nice
and that
overhand by Tañate. Kinakamusta ka ni Ardin? Kamusta daw?
Ay, kamusta rin sa'yo, Champa?
Di mo ba
Mabuti tayo. Oo. Yun, nawalan ako ng
naalala mo yung mga wall post, no?
Oo naman. Siyempre, makulay ang buhay kapag nandyan si Ardin Diane.
Yes, of course.
Coach Rush Campana from D. Casio Fitness Gym. Shout out.
Kamusta? Sa Las Piñas yan alam ko. So, kamusta sa mga kaibigan natin sa Las Piñas? We are 40 seconds from this round number 3 between Jericho Tañate, who is sporting a yellow and black trunks, against J. Pablo Ignacio, who is sporting a purple-green heart trunk.
Sabi ni Sir Boyet, Pereabras boring pag hindi natatamaan. Hindi ko alam kung paano address to kasi siguro kung boxer ka, ayaw mo din namang matamaan ka. No?
Yes,
so, it's either, yun nga, kulang sa target or magaling dumepensa tong dalawa. But nevertheless, let's enjoy the sweet science. You know, boxing isn't just about being hit, no? It's about avoiding being hit. So, i-expand natin yung knowledge natin sa boxing.
I think Jericho Tañada did hurt you and he did given Ignacio with 4 combination to end round number 3.
Alam mo, minsan kasi partner, kahit na even if you try to hit your opponent, ano, kung depensado yung tao, you won't really push into that combination kasi baka ma-counteran ka rin. So, iba-iba rin namang tactics yan, iba-ibang style. So, I think one way for our audience to enjoy is to wait for that perfect timing, no? For that perfect opportunity, magkatamaan sila, di ba? So, change lang yung perspective nyo, guys, para hindi kayo masyado ma-frustrate.
Thank you for watching. Arnold Machete and sa kaibigan natin si Romshay Sargilia, who is on a streak right now.
Definitely.
I think he is on 3-fight winning streak. I'm speaking about Romshay Sargilia.
You know what? I think may target naman sila, no? It's just that kita mo yun, napapari ni Tañate yung suntok, napapari din ni Ignacio yung suntok. When I say pari, you use the gloves to slightly deflect the punch. Yun ang tinatawag na pari, no? So kahit nasa target ka and seemingly accurate yung suntok mo, kapag napapari yung suntok, ay hindi talaga to tatama. Ayan, tumama na.
And I think both of the fighters has an identical style.
Right.
Ibig sabihin kaya medyo hindi sila nakakatamaan, ang style nila halos pareho. Pero this round 4, I think more action are given and more exchanges are thrown by both fighters.
Kasi you have to open up. One boxer has to open up and to really throw. There you have it, a quick left by Ignacio right there.
I'm very impressed with of the boxers coming from Majestic boxing gym. They come very well prepared and most of their boxer are fighting against the promoters boxer. So but they are faring very well.
There you go. So yeah, no, even if you punch and punch, si Ignacio is using his body movement and his head movement. So medyo mahirap talaga tamaan. Ano? One way to make it easier perhaps is to do some setups, to do some feints, to make the punches land more. So yun. So mga onting ano lang yan, ano, para...
Binabati natin partner, lahat ng mga kaibigan natin dyan sa Ilorde, Batangas. Ayan ay nagpa-shoutout ni Sir Benji Ricafort.
Oh, there you have it. That is the exchange that you have been waiting for. Ayan, yan yung mga gustong-gusto ng Pinoy.
And partner, it's not easy to score the first 3 rounds.
Yes.
It could go either way because halos panapatan lang both fighters. Sabi ni Royder Bourbon, para malaman mo,
siya yung umapak sa ring.
mag-boxing ka raw.
Tama naman. Kasi boxing...
yan ay coming from a boxer, ha?
Yeah.
Royder Bourbon.
Well said, champ. Well said.
Na isa sa mga...
Magaling yan.
Todo
Idol
bigay.
ko yan.
Todo bigay talagang all action-packed
right.
Fighter talaga si Royder Bourbon.
So there you go. I don't think these two boxers are careless when it comes to having their target. It's just that hindi sila makapag-timing ng flush na punch, ano. Kasi nga yun, magalaw silang dalawa, depensado rin naman. So tingnan nyo mabuti, no, how they use their defense. Which is, again, I will reiterate, another criteria for judging in boxing along with ring generalship, with hard, clean punches, and aggression, ano. Kung pinagdududahan nyo yan, ay i-search nyo lang sa Google kung ano yung mga criteria natin sa pro. Kung paano ba nagde-desisyon yung mga judges natin sa laban.
I really do hope that people would appreciate the promoters that giving us a boxing event dito sa Pilipinas. Just imagine kung wala nang magpo-promote dito sa Pilipinas, lahat tayo walang mapapanood, wala kaming trabaho.
Yes.
So, again, kudos to the promoter in the Philippines na nagbibigay sa atin ng magaganda at action-packed na promotion all year round.
Yes. Segundo Nice. Shoutout sa'yo sa AC Fitness Pampanga. Here we go. Round 5. You are watching Tanate in the black and yellow trunks and Ignacio in the green and pink, purple, furry shorts. Ayan. Sir Romshane Sargilla, champ, ang main event natin dito ay si Joe Noynay.
He will batting an Indonesian fighter.
Yes. Si Ramadan Verium and... there you have it. You see, there you go. They're using their jabs naman. So, talasan din natin yung mata natin, dun sa variety ng punches nila. Right now, they're fencing with their jabs. It's just that medyo nakukulangan lang sa follow-up ng onti ngayon. Nahihirapan siguro sila, no? One reason could be natatakot kang makounteran. One is you're trying to find the right timing or the right opening. Yeah, I tend to be less judgmental with boxers kasi boxer din ako. Ikaw din, partner, kasi you worked with boxers. So I think it's easy to judge if you're not there in their shoes. Tama yung sinabi ni Royder Lloyd Bourbon, no? Ang dali kasing sabihin,
yeah,
pag hindi mo ginagawa. But when you're there, when you're training boxing, you know that it's easier said than done. Oh, those were huge short hooks that landed for both boxers, ano? Kevin Aureliano, hindi pa po tapos na ba, partner? Soliveros after this
Soliveros na po. I think...
Oh, that was well-timed by Ignacio and a body shot by Tanate that's also well-timed.
Right now, I think Tañate is targeting the body of Ignacio. halos laging synonymous yung jab nila. They're throwing identical jab for
exactly. Tamang well said, partner. In that 50-50 position kasi na yung distansya nila sakto lang. Talaga nagkakatamaan sila eh.
Again, I'm telling you, this fight, it's not easy to judge this fight. It's a 50-50 fight for me. Anybody could win the fight, or the final round could be the decider of this.
There you have it, a thrilling round 5 for both boxers. Tanate versus Ignacio.
Yes.
Ignacio from Majestic Boxing Gym. Tanate is from Elorde Santa Rita.
Ay, yung tinatanong ni Jason De Helio, yung laban ni Michael Agustin, tabla po yung laban niya kanina against a Hong Kong fighter, Hong Ki Lam. It's a majority draw.
Shout out kay Coach Mark MJ Sales from Lipa, from Aureliana Kevin.
Final round of this fight between Jericho Tañate and Jay De Pablo Ignacio of Majestic Boxing Gym, Makati City.
Sabi ni Coach Jovel, medyo maganda daw ang adjustment ni Ignacio. Thank you, Coach. Minsan yung may mga karapatan at may mga alam, sila pa yung ingat magbigay ng opinion.
Yes.
Salamat, Coach Jovel. Thank you so much. Here we go. A little bit of a slow start for this round. Ano yun?
Hindi ko na masabi.
Shout out Jason Dohelio. Sabi ni Greg Navsky, ayaw daw sumuntok ni Tanate. Tignan natin kung ngayong round 6 he feels some sense of urgency. Because they had a pretty good 5th round.
I think Ignacio has a better bounce coming from round number 6.
And seem to have gained more momentum here, partner?
I just wanna greet everybody who sponsored us, yung Fairtex, and I think BSP also has given some assistance on numerous promotion of UKC promotion, and there will be a next UKC promotion on December 18 in a collaboration with the Sandman Promotion, which will be headlined by Esnet Domingo against Michael Bravo.
And shout out lang to our big boss, Sir Marty Elorde, the big boss of Elorde TV, of which it will not be possible for all of us to enjoy this without the initiative. And yun nga, si Sir Marty ang dahilan kung bakit tayo nandito lahat. So shout out sa aming big boss.
Pala ko sasabihin mo, siya ang may dahilan kung bakit tayo kumakain.
Yun din. Isa rin yun,
Pero pahintulutan mo lang ang isa kong pagbati sa isa pa nating boss. Siya ay bago ng abogado, si si Attorney Floricel Podot of PMI Boxing Stable. He did pass the bar exam. And congratulations to Sir Floricel Podot na attorney na po ngayon.
There you go. What you just witnessed was quick, short, accurate punches by Ignacio. Tanate answers with an uppercut also, a short uppercut.
Nice 1-2.
Oh, wow. Forward pressure by Ignacio. Counter by Tanate. But is missing with that.
Partner, mukhang mangyayari yung sinasabi ng isang nag-comment sa atin na lamang si Ignacio because nandiyan si Sanrio.
We'll see. Tingnan natin. A few, yes,
wow.
There you go. A few seconds before the end, and we witnessed that heated up very. There you have it, winner by majority decision, partner. I think hindi lamang siya nanalo dahil kay Sanrio. Nanalo siya dahil sa kanyang magandang adjustment at magandang performance. magaling rin palang
Baka Muay Thai artist din to. Oo.
martial artist itong si Jay Ignacio. And there you have it. Here in Elorde, we only get fair decisions. So, congratulations both boxers. Good performance. What a good fight from both of you guys.
Congratulations to Majestic Boxing Gym dyan sa Makati. Salamat.
Sabi ni Sir Mangyanda, to Kitty and all the Sanrio characters have placed in the